How to reset the service reminder on a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a 2014 model, and as you can see there, the service required warning is on in the dash. So the things you'll need to do is come down to these buttons here. You will select this button until that screen is displayed. Once you have that, you press and hold this button here for 5 seconds, let off, press and hold it again for a second, let off, and that will reset the service warning. So I'm just going to do that now. Just going to pop the ignition on. That's displayed. Press and hold for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let off. Press and hold again. And as you can see, the service is now reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.